Hello guys, in this small video I am going to show you another types of multimeters that is actually sophisticated than the previous one. And okay, let me continue with this introduction. So in this case, as earlier, we have voltage, we have ohms, then frequency, then amperes. Okay, right now this is, you can see, this is off position. Then I will turn this multimeter on, then we will see what will be the value. Okay, right now it goes to 0. Right now, if needed, we can select AC and DC from this one. Select. Now you can see here it is alternating current, alternating voltage, and this one you can see DC direct voltage. Okay, thereafter, if we need, when it is needed, we can change the value. It means millivolt. Here in the right hand corner it is, I don't know whether you can see it, millivolt. Now if needed, I can change it into kilovolt, like that. We can change the range of voltage. Now you can see the decimal point is moving here and there. And also in the region ohms, again you can select the region by using this button here, 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 like that. You can see the decimal point is moving, right? And another one I'm going to show you, amperes. Again, in amperes, when we are measuring DC or AC, we can select DC. Here you can see this is AC, alternating current, and here it is DC, direct current. And also, again, we can change the range, the measuring range. We can barely see the decimal point is moving. Actually, this is more sophisticated than the cheaper multimeters, and I will try to explain you some practical examples by using this type of multimeter. Okay, thank you very much. Please don't forget to give me a subscribe. Thank you guys.